So a friend of mine who I was stationed with in the Army, they actually had a pergola installed, and so when we looked at it, we realized, this looks like what we're looking for, where it's not a huge amount of effort in reconstructing the roof, and so he referred us to Temo. Prior to having the sunroom, it was just, it was sweltering, that's what I will say, and it just made things a little bit difficult to really enjoy the outdoor space. We're now able to spend more time out here, especially throughout the day where you just don't feel like you have to go in and take a break from the heat on the patio when it's hot, or then if there's inclement weather or raining, you can actually sit out here and enjoy a nice rain shower, and then also enjoy the view of the garden, and then we have significant wildlife that walks through here. You don't feel like you're in a box, and it doesn't get dark back in here, so the light, because we do like it light and open, you don't want to feel like you're constrained. And so the sky views really open up the space, they let light in here, and you don't feel like you're living in a box. So first off, because we had actually had a couple of other contractors come out and architects and look at it, and most of it involved ripping up most of the garage roof and doing all these retrofits and beams and massive construction, and then of course the dollar figures go along with that. And so we went to Temo, and Rick helped us initially with the sales. He said, "Hey, come by the showroom." And so being able to walk through the showroom with someone who to help you through that, and also gave a lot of good architectural ideas. It's the customer service that is absolutely huge, and then the quality of the workforce that comes out here and does the work. But also it's the I think to me it's the flexibility of the designs that you can put in. They said, well, here's X, but have you considered these? They call you up, they work with your schedule, so there's the flexibility. A lot of it you don't even have to be here for. I chose to be, but that's what I think is really neat about it. It's just almost that seamless transition between the different phases of the project. And they take care of your permits. You don't have to do anything. You just tell Temo what you want, and Temo will deliver it, and then some. I'm retired Army, so small things catch my eye. I do have an attention to detail, but it was great to watch someone actually go through that work and treat it like, hey, I'm building this for my house, and to really be the detail and the quality of the work. So from the Schroeder family, Temo, thanks for a wonderful product.
Audio Jungle.